In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable two-factor authentication, or 2FA, on Shopify. This process should take about 5 minutes of your time, but it's an essential security feature that offers an additional layer of protection for your online store. Let's get started. First, you'll want to navigate to the Shopify website. Open your preferred web browser, whether it's Chrome, Safari, Firefox, or another, and type in the Shopify URL. Once you hit enter, you should be brought to the Shopify main page. Once you're on Shopify, you need to log into your Shopify admin panel. This is the hub where you can manage all your store's operations, from adding products to handling payments, and of course, improving security settings. When you arrive at the login page, enter your credentials, your email, and your password. If you have multiple stores associated with your account, make sure you select the one where you wish to activate 2FA. After successfully logging in, your next step is to click on either your photo or the initial of your shop name, which you'll find in the top right corner of your admin dashboard. Think of this as your shortcut to personal settings, all conveniently tucked away in a small drop-down menu. Once you've clicked on your photo or initial, you will see a drop-down menu. From here, you need to select your email and name. By doing so, you will be seamlessly directed to the General Settings page. This area contains all the key configurations for your account and shop. Now that you have arrived at the General Settings, look for the Security section. This part is crucial as it hosts the two-step authentication feature we're focusing on today. Click on Security, and within this section, you should see the option for two-step authentication. Here, you have the capability to enable or disable this feature by simply clicking on it. When you enable two-step authentication, you add an invaluable layer of security, requiring a second method of verification beyond your password. This means that even if someone gets hold of your password, they will not be able to access your account without the second piece of information. Bear in mind, if you choose to disable it later, you'll be canceling this added security measure on your account, which is something to consider carefully as you decide on your best security approach. And there you have it, a quick guide to making your Shopify store more secure with the simple addition of two-factor authentication. Implementing 2FA cuts down on unauthorized access significantly, so you can have peace of mind knowing your business is more secure. Once you've completed these steps, be sure to log out and then log back in to confirm that everything is set up correctly. Thank you for watching, and stay safe online.